Alright boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So if you are a subscriber here and follow me here on Gordon Guitar, you probably heard about Citizen Soldier. They will come back, and we covered many songs so far. And it's been a while since the last time, so it's just about a time. This time we have a song called This Is Your Sign, a great song like it usually is from Citizen Soldier. So let's start with this one. We have the capo set here on the 2nd fret, and we have 5 different chords to cover. So let's go over the chords first. So capo on 2nd, and that gives us first A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord is E minor. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. We have C next. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. F. It's a bar here on the 1st fret, all strings. And the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And the final chord, speaking about G, is G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And there we have the 5 chords, A minor, E minor, C, F, and G. Now let's start with the first verse. We have a chord progression here that goes A minor, to E minor, to C, to F. All right. The first 2 rounds, because this is about 4 rounds in total. So the first 2 rounds is just 1 down per chord, and it goes about in this tempo. 2 rounds. So something like this. So like this. All right. So 2 rounds of that, and then the last 2 rounds you will do the same, but you will add a clap. So same chords, same tempo, 1 down plus a clap. It sounds like this. And I hit the clap just on the E string here, and the reason for that is because that will let the other strings ring out when you do the down here. If you hit the clap on all strings, it will kill the sound, and I don't want the sound to be completely dead because we have only 1 down and it goes pretty slow there, so it will be, and there's nothing left over there. So we want the strings to ring out, so just give it a kick here on the E string is my suggestion. So total of 4 rounds, A minor, E minor, C, and F. And that takes us to the first pre-chorus. In the lyrics, just take it as a testament. So here, it's just about 2 chords and 1 down per chord. So the first chord will be 1 down on F. And you wait till about now and play 1 down on G. And that's it for the pre-chorus, F and G. And that takes us to the chorus in the lyrics. And if you're staring down the barrel now, okay, so here we have a chord progression that goes A minor to F to C to G. 4 chords there, and we're gonna play it for 4 rounds. But now we need to play a strumming pattern. And here you need to think as pair of chords, which means that A minor and F will pair up together, and C and G will pair up together. And they will pair up in that case that it's about 1 full strumming pattern for 2 chords. So that means we need to split this strumming into 2 parts. So the part 1 will play for A minor, part 2 for F, and then it goes in the same way with C and G. So part 1 for C and part 2 for G. I'm gonna give you one full chord progression round for this one, so that means 2 strumming rounds, and from A minor, F, C, and G. Let's go. That is how it sounds. One chord progression, which means 2 full strumming rounds. So let's look at the 2 different parts here. We will take A minor and F as an example, since that is the first 2 chords. So part 1 and A minor will sound like this. Right? So it's down, up, clap, up. That's it. So down, up, clap, up. All right. Yeah, so that is the part 1. And then immediately you shift to the next chord, in this case the F, and play part 2. And that sounds like this. So that is down, clap, down, up. Down, clap, down, up. So together, part 1, part 2, one full strumming will sound like this. And notice that the shift goes very fast here from A minor. So it's down, up, clap, up, down. And you shift to F there, up, down, clap, down, up. And the same goes from C to G. So down, up, clap, up, down, clap, down, up. Alright, so there you have the chorus. Play 4 chord progression rounds, and that's the chorus. On this one, it ends with 1 down on A minor. So 4 rounds plus 1 down as a start on a 5th round, I guess. So 4 rounds plus 1 down on A minor. That is the first chorus. And that takes us to the second verse. Nothing changes here. You're gonna play it in the same way as the first verse. And the same goes with the second chorus that follows right after. The only thing that differs here from the first chorus is you're gonna skip the last A minor down there. So only 4 rounds the same way and the same strumming. Why? Since after this second chorus comes a bridge part. In the lyrics, this is your sign, a shooting star, a satellite in space. All right. So now we have a new chord progression which goes F, G, A minor, and C. Okay, so F, G, A minor, C. You're gonna play that chord progression for 2 rounds, and that will be the bridge part. Now, how are you gonna handle the chords? Now you're gonna play 1 full strumming pattern for each and every chord. So F, 1 full, G, 1 full, A minor, 1 full, and C, 1 full. That will sound like this. So forget about this part 1 and part 2, just play 1 full strumming round for each and every chord, 2 chord progression rounds, and that's bridge part. And that takes us to the final part, which is a third chorus. And guess what? That is played in the same way as the other choruses. So nothing changes there, and that wraps it up for Citizen Soldier. This is your sign. So I'm always happy to deliver Citizen Soldier for you guys. I love this band, and they make great songs, and pretty playable as well. So nothing is really too hard there if you just give it a try. So 5 chords, 1 strumming pattern, and that's pretty much it when it comes to the song. So good luck with this one, guys. I hope to see you soon. And for all you CS soldiers, yeah, there you have it. This is your sign. Play tuned.